Now let's talk about the area of circles. Those are pretty simple. We know what a circle is. The area of a circle is simply pi r squared, where r is 1/2 of the diameter. So if you're given the diameter, you just need to divide it by 2 and go. These are very simple. You've been doing areas of circles probably since 5th, 6th grade at least. And so you're used to these. So let's look at this one. Here's a figure. You have two circles, one inside the other. They're concentric circles. Concentric circles are circles that have the same center, different radii, and that's what this is. And basically, you're asked to find the area of the shaded portion. And it's hopefully you can tell what the shaded portion is there. Shaded portion is the part that does not include the inside circle. So let's call this circle 1 and circle 2, where circle 1 is the one with 2 inches, and circle 2 is the one with 4 inches as the radii. Okay? So this would be circle 1 right here, then this would be circle 2, would be the whole thing. Okay? So we got circle 1, circle 2. Now let's denote that a little better. So this is circle 1, and this is circle 2. Okay? So the area of circle 1 is going to be pi r squared, and what's the radius of the first circle? 2, so 2 squared. And when we do that calculation, we should get somewhere very close to 12.57 square inches. The area of circle 2 is pi times 4 squared. When we do that calculation, we should get somewhere very close to 50.27 inches squared. The shaded portion is going to be the area of circle 2 minus the area of circle 1, which equals 50.27 minus 12.57. And when we do that calculation, we should get very close to 37.7 inches squared. Okay? Very simple to take those and then do, this is also for composites, or for, we'll do a little bit geometric probability. Now here's another figure. It's sort of hard to draw these freehand. Draw a circle and then draw a square around it. You got to have a perfect circle. But anyway, that's how do we know? Because the diameters of this thing are 4 inches. Why? Because from here to here is 4 inches. That means from there to there, parallel to that line is 4 inches. And if we do perpendicular to that line, in order for that to be a circle, that diameter also has to be 4. So therefore, we've got a square. Well, we're given the diameter is 4. The radius is diameter divided by 2, or 2. So the area of the circle is going to be pi 2 squared. What's the area of the square? Well, just a side squared, so 4 squared. The shaded portion is going to be the area of the square minus the area of the circle, or 16 minus 12.57, or we should come up very close to 3.43 inches squared. So, areas of circles are pretty easy to do. I think the main thing is trying to figure out what the radius is, because like I showed you on regular polygons, sometimes they'll draw a regular polygon inside that circle and give you measurements about that polygon, but not about the circle. And then you've got to figure out what the radius is by figuring out what the hypotenuse of one of those triangles is. Okay, so that's regular polygons and circles. Have fun with them.